Welcome to our introductory guide to the world of AI. Before we dive into algorithms and neural networks, we need to talk about the single most critical resource, data. Think about it. Oil powered the 20th century, fueling our cars, heating our homes, and building industries. It was the backbone of modern civilization. Now, in the 21st century, that fundamental resource has changed. Today, it's not oil that powers the world, it's data. Data is the raw material, the lifeblood, and the fuel that makes artificial intelligence possible. Without massive amounts of quality data, AI models simply cannot learn or function. So why is this comparison so relevant? By the end of the next few minutes, you will understand data's massive economic value in the age of AI. Let's break down the economics of oil versus data to truly appreciate this shift in power. Oil is a finite resource. It's scarce, it's physically extracted from the ground, and once you refine and burn it for fuel, it's gone forever. Data, however, is virtually infinite and abundant. It's not burned up. It's refined into insights. You can use the same dataset countless times to train different AI models. And here is the biggest difference. Data generates more data. Every interaction you have online, every purchase, every like, creates more data that further refines the AI in a phenomenon known as network effects. Just as the 20th century had oil barons, the 21st century has data barons, tech giants who control the vast majority of consumer data. Companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon control vast, data reserves that competitors simply can't access. This proprietary data is their most valuable asset. This control allows them to build superior AI. Google's Search AI learns from billions of queries. Meta's recommendation AI learns from everything you share, cementing their market power against smaller players. But what does the future hold for data? And what is your personal data actually worth? We are seeing the emergence of data markets and data trusts, where individuals might be able to monetize their own information, shifting power away from the monopolistic tech giants. While the value changes daily, industry estimates suggest the data generated by an average person is worth anywhere from $100 to $300 per year to major platforms, primarily through targeted advertising. This brings us to a crucial ethical question. Who actually owns your data? For most of the data you generate, the answer is the service provider. When you click Agree on terms and conditions, you often grant them the right to collect, analyze, and profit from your activity. This imbalance has led to strict regulations like GDPR in Europe, giving citizens more control over their information and pushing for better data rights. To quickly recap, data is called the new oil for three main reasons. It is the primary fuel for AI, it must be refined into valuable insights, and it concentrates immense wealth in the hands of those who control it. Your action step today. Take that $100 to $300 figure. Multiply it by the number of people in your household. That's a rough estimate of the yearly value your family's digital activity represents to big tech. Now that you understand the fuel, it's time to learn about the engine. Join us in video 21, where we dive into the core concept of artificial intelligence. What is machine learning?